Okay, sir. When this is already a little bit pale, the carrot is changing the color from the uh, red become a little bit pale. We add some salt. Just a little bit salt because we have already the salt from margarine and pepper. Leave it for a while to sometimes we need the salt to blend. Melting and blend and goes in because this is hard. They need a little bit more time to get in. And the other I'll soak the material so they don't need so much too long. I think you are a chef, so you know.
Yeah, I'm not a chef. No, I wish I was.
Yes.
I just like to cook.
Yes. And the other, this one to blending also the taste. I am using pineapple.
Oh, I see.
So the sour is came from here.
Very interesting, eh?
The sour is came and then I'm using a little bit pepper to give more taste. Pepper is the partner of onion.
Oh,
So if you have onion, add
Oh,
pepper.
it's paprika.
They will be perfect. And this is basically the last time because we didn't like to changing the color. This is already done in the fridge, so we don't need so much to cook. So leave it the last moment. It's already done on the fridge. What I can do is adding this tomato to give the color.
And this is carrot?
That is carrot, yes.
Yeah, carrot and pepper.
And pineapple.
Green pineapple. Oh, pineapple. Okay.
And pineapple.
Yeah.
The sour also came from this. And honey. The
And
sweet
honey.
came
Oh, okay.
from honey.
Wow.
You can add as much as you like.
Oh, that's nice.
Add some water. And leave it for a while.
Okay.
For a while.
And you can put ketchup, is it?
Yes, but we using already honey, so we don't need some ketchup.
Oh, you don't.
We don't need the ketchup. It's giving a sweet
Yeah.
when you're using sweet ketchup.
Yeah.
But if you're using salt ketchup,
Yeah.
you don't need this margarine. You can use
What
just
is
only
this?
normal oil. This is margarine.
Oh, margarine.
Margarine.
Oh, butter. Yeah,
Because
actually,
butter,
kind of butter.
I using butter. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
already salt inside, so we don't need the ketchup. So,
Okay.
yes, or I don't need also sweet ketchup because I using honey.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So
Yeah,
we
yeah.
don't need that.
No.
We like to get the color red, only red. When you add some ketchup, they turn to be brown,
Yeah.
not red.
Yeah, okay.
So it's not necessary. This is more simple. You easy to get the ingredient everywhere.
So this is sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
Sour, yeah.
You can changing the sour came from mango. So you can change pineapple to mango or something with sour. You can use lime also, or you can using orange. You can using lemon. So changing, no problem. What is that with sour?
Tell imagination.
Yeah. They also giving color, nice color, red from tomato, and then yellow from the lime, or from lemon, or from pineapple, or from mango.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this is still gonna be green again here.
Those are peas.
This is a piece.
Oh,
Yes.
I've been
Just-
looking for them everywhere in Balikpapan, but I couldn't find them.
You can find, you can buy.
No. Yeah. It's funny, I've looked in all the supermarkets, but I couldn't find it.
You can buy green bean and leave it for a while until they on the fridge they open by themselves.
Yeah, and then you can switch them
Yeah,
out. Yeah,
something
yeah.
like that. If we use just using water, the color will not so really nice because they are separate. So to let them together, we're using maizena or tapioca
maizena, yeah.
or just flour,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah,
This is
bind it a bit.
tight a little bit.
Yeah.
And this is the secret of the tasty food. They tie the
What is it?
ingredients.
Yeah, that's what the
Tapioca,
stuff what I
that's
put in.
flour,
Also,
or
I bought a
maizena,
packet from
any
my
kind.
home. And that's the
As
same.
long as
It's like salt.
we giving like a porridge in here, they will stick on
Yeah, it's
the,
like cornstarch.
Oh, I didn't know that.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you buy with it.
yeah. We add this.
Yeah, and then it gets thicker.
And then stick. They will stick. And this is the secret of the food. Your food gonna be more tasty if you add this one because
Okay,
they
but
stick.
what is that tapioca?
This is tapioca. You
Oh.
can use it also maizena. You can use it also the normal flour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, maizena is made
yeah.
from potatoes or not?
Yeah, maizena from
It's from potatoes. And then
No,
you have,
maizena come from corn,
oh, from cornstarch.
Yes.
Okay, cornstarch. Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
like this.
You see
So
that it
this
gets
is
more.
gonna be stick like this,
Mhm.
and this is finished. Simple. And add this
Perfect.
one.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That is still hot, and adding this, leave it for a while.
Mhm.
They will be done.
Okay.
So you don't need any more cook. Save energy
Mhm.
and keep the vitamin.
Yeah.
Simple.
Very good.
Very
So this is finished. This is the this is sauce for
You know how to
chicken.
make it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very excited. Can't wait to go back to make it.